Executive Director of the Caribbean Community Climate Change Center, Dr. Kenrick Leslie, is confident the region will attain funding underneath the Green Climate Change Fund and ensure the Caribbean gets its fair share. Dr. Kendrick's assertion comes amid concerns the region has constantly been sidelined by bigger countries in attaining funds for adaptation projects.
In the past, for instance, under the CDM, we got very little or nothing from that because most of the bigger countries got most of the funds. So one of the roles of the center, now that we have been accredited by the United Nations Framework Convention Green Climate Fund as a regional implementing entity, we will work with the governments to ensure that we have bankable projects that can be funded in the very near future.
The reason for this is because many of the programs are driven by the private sector.
In the Caribbean, a project might seem to be large, but when compared with a project in India or Brazil, it is small. And as a result, the private sector tended to go to the bigger programs.
The Caribbean Community Climate Change Center coordinates the Caribbean region's response to disasters, working on effective solutions and projects to combat the environmental impacts of climate change. Reporting in Paris, France, I am Sarah Peter.